Hey guys, today we are at Fragrance Lake in Washington State. We are going to do a hike with the Apple Watch Series 9 and just kind of show you how you hike with this watch. I've been using it on hikes for basically since I had the Apple Watch, like back in September I think it came out, but this has been a feature on the Apple Watch for years now. But I want to show you guys how the feature works, why I like to use it, and we'll go from there and also see some beautiful sights. Me and Cody are going on the hike to Fragrance Lake for the first time. It's about 1,000 feet of elevation gain, I believe. So it's going to be a good hike, maybe about 5 or 6 miles round trip. So we'll see you on the hike. Okay, it looks like we're 0.9 to the viewpoint and 1.9 to Fragrance Lake. Now I'm going to get my watch set up. What you want to do is go into the activity app and then click on hiking and it will start a hike. You can also use Siri to say start a hike as well. And that's it. Now it's started. Let's go. You ready? Never been on this hike, so I'm going to be using the All Trails app as well because I do not know where we're going at all. I'm just gonna follow this trail. It looks pretty well trafficked. You ready for a new hike, Cody? Can you say hi to everyone? Say hi. Say hi, everyone. Here we go. Okay, one thing if you swipe up, it's gonna show you how much elevation you've gained and give a map of the elevation gain as well as the elevation that you lose as well if you just swipe up. Right now we're 18 minutes in, a little over half a mile, 339 feet gained, 116 active calories. Now we can look. Elevation's been basically no downhill at all yet. Total of 480 feet of elevation, 339 gained. So far it's been nice. It's all shaded, which is really nice. It's not too warm out today. It's only about 71, but when you're in the direct sun, that definitely makes a huge difference. I think my favorite part about the Apple Watch while hiking is that it tracks your distance as well as your elevation. And then when you're done, it shows you a map of where you went, which is kind of cool. All right, we're at the crossroads. We're gonna be heading to the viewpoint on our left. 1 mile that way and about 500 feet further up is the lake. Cody, I think we're gonna turn around at the viewpoint today. I don't think he's gonna make it all the way to the lake. And just an update, we are at 31 minutes, 0.87 miles, 162 calories burned, 464 feet gained. All right, what do you say we go check out this view? Come on, Cody, let's go look. Go see what it looks like. We made it to the viewpoint. Look how beautiful it is. Wow. Okay, it's 1.03 miles to get here. So I'm thinking the 0.9 was to the sign where the fork was. So that's about 0.9 miles back there. Did 477 feet. So this to the viewpoint is a pretty easy hike. Okay, I made the mistake of ending our hike. So I'm starting a new one, but this might actually work out well because then we can compare the distance to the first one as well, just to see how accurate it is. I just gotta show you guys, look at how the roots of this tree are like growing on top of the rock. Isn't that cool? So there's the trees up here, but it's literally growing up onto the rock. Like, how is that even possible? That is cool. Just down here, up onto the rock. Never seen that before. Okay, so we're about a half mile down, and I'm going to show you how much elevation that we've decreased. So you can see it's been basically straight down. But we did a total of 507 feet, Cody. That's pretty good. Good job. Cody just saw some trail runners. He's wanting to be a trail runner. All right, we made it to the bottom. It was 1.07 down. We burned a total of 144 calories on the way down. It took a little over 30 minutes. Okay, overall, I really liked that hike. I wish we would have made it to Fragrance Lake, but Cody just wasn't given the energy to climb another 500 feet, I don't think. But Cody, did you like the hike, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes? So we're gonna go get, what are we gonna go get?
Chocolate sundae.
And chocolate sundae, yes. And I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on the Apple Fitness app now as well. Okay, so first we're gonna look at our hike up. It was 39 minutes up, so not too much longer, honestly. 1.04 miles, so just a little bit off from our trip down. 477 feet of elevation gain. Looks like a total of 1.04 miles up. You can show my heart rate, and then the cool part here is you can go into the map and see where you started and kind of see your heart rate as you go through. You can switch it to a satellite view. So that's where we went. We went all the way up to the red dot. That's where the ending was. And then we can go and look at our trip down. 31 minutes, 1.07 miles. And also looking at the map as well, you can see the map starting as the green dot up on the top right here, and then going down to the very end. It also is going to show you the temperature and the humidity on the trip that you took. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video on the Apple Watch and taking it on a hike and why I like it. It's very convenient, it tracks it without you thinking, and you don't need your phone on the Series 9. It does have GPS built in, so if you want to go on a hike without your phone and just be at peace with nature, you can. I don't really recommend that just in case there's an emergency, you want to have your phone on you, but to each their own. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe. Be sure to check out our other Apple Watch videos and check out our other vlogs on the channel as well. Thanks for watching.